Hi, hope you're doing well. We're looking at the same spreadsheet from the last video, but we're going to do something different with it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to write a VBA macro that will enable you to delete any blank tabs that you have in your workbook. So with that being said, first thing we'll do is start putting the code in. Insert a new module, and we'll call this one delete blank tabs. Start off with the name sub delete blank tabs, open close brackets. Okay, so first thing we're going to do here is define the dimensions. So we're working with entire worksheets as the dimensions, not with cells. So dimension sheet as the worksheet. Now, when we start off, we need to turn off any screen updating and displays or alerts. So screen updating equals false. That application won't come on. And the alert display application won't come on either. Okay, so we'll put in a for argument, a for function. So for each sheet, in the active workbook, so the one we're looking at, so if the worksheet function we'll do a count all, so count A. Count all of the cells in the sheet, so sht.Cells. And if it counts all of that and gets 0, and in the same in the active workbook, we'll look through the sheets, and if the count is greater than 1, then we'll delete. And then from there, it'll go to the next sheet. We put that in, it'll form a loop, it'll do the same thing in each one. And this is where we want to turn the screen updating and the display alerts back on. So they should pop up at the end of the macro, not at the start of the not at the start of the macro. So yeah, like you can see, the same thing we did at the top, but the opposite. Okay, and I'm pretty sure that that will work. Let's put it to the test. Okay, so we'll open 4 tabs. We'll leave sheet 7 and sheet 6 blank. In sheet 4 here, let's put some numbers. And in sheet 5, we'll also put some numbers. Okay, now we'll run this macro. So it looks like it works as it's meant to. So thanks for watching, and I hope you found it useful.